we are going to look at text formatting options. Home tab, font group, has many text formatting options. So there's font. First I have to select the text though. I have to highlight the text and then change the font to whatever I wish. Font is the style of text. Then we have font size. Then we have bold, and this looks bold already. So let's try another font. And now we can see what bold looks like. Italics, and then underline. Next we have Strikethrough. So first I'm going to take off the underline and then try Strikethrough. Then we have Subscript, which is you usually see that with maths problems or equations. Subscript, where you have 5 to base 10. So base 10 is usually subscript. Subscript being that the text is smaller and to the bottom of the normal text. Next you have Superscript. Again, usually seen with equations and in maths. So let's say we have 5 to the power 2. So 2 as superscript. 2 is shown smaller but above the normal text. So this is 5 squared, or 5 to the power 2. Next we have change case, which we've met already. Change case, sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. Then we can highlight the text or not. Oops, I have to highlight first, right. And then I can change the color, the text color. Next, I want to look at the clipboard group in the Home tab. The clipboard, anytime you cut or copy, the information is temporarily stored on what's called the clipboard. So I am going to cut the font size using the scissors, and then I'm going to click somewhere else on the document and I'm going to paste. So cut and paste moves text and places at another position. So places the text at another position on the Word document. Sometimes people just cut alone and do not paste, meaning they're using cut to remove the text. The next I'm going to do is copy and paste. So again, this time I'm going to use copy and place my insertion point and paste. So copy and paste allows me to duplicate text. And I can keep on pasting. And the last thing that was copied to my clipboard is what will be pasted. Copied or cut will be pasted. Because that, when I cut or copy, that text is saved temporarily to the clipboard. Next is the paintbrush, which is called a format painter. So I can highlight text that has been formatted, click on the paintbrush, and then highlight some other text. And the formatting from that text, the original text that I highlighted, would be applied to the new text highlighted. Format painter. Next, I want to look at the find and replace options. This is in the editing group. Find brings up a small window. Let's say I want to find text, and it highlights every time it sees the word text until it tells me there are no more. Another option could be replace. So I'm going to find text and I'm going to replace it with txt instead. I can replace all, and it will tell me how many replacements it's made. If I look at my document, I should see all of my text have been changed to txt.